Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Select Inbox, then tap on the user icon on the top left corner, then select Manage Accounts. Now under Manage Accounts, tap on Account Info. Once you do that, you're gonna have to select Personal Info from the options given on the screen. Once you do that, on the screen, you will see options like Update Profile Photo and Update Personal Details. Select Update Personal Details, then edit your name right there. Then tap on Save Updates from the bottom of the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your name on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.